Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see the Shiller PE ratio for S&P 500. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for multel.com/Shiller dash PE. Be very careful with the URL. Check it if I pronounce it wrong. And here you can see the data for the Shiller, and you can check the data over the time here, right? Also, you can check the last 50-year data, the last year data, and the last 5-year data, and multiple settings available for you that you can use to check the real-time data. And here you can see the minimum and the maximum amount it has been ever reached. So by this method, you can easily check it. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.